Lowe's sells a tool that ran America's job sites for 40 years before Home Depot ever stocked it. Klein Tools. The lineman's pliers, the wire strippers, the screwdrivers that every electrician in the country owns at least one of. Klein was founded in 1857, became the default electrical hand tool brand in American construction, and was not available at Lowe's until February of 2023, because for 14 years, a contract prevented it. Home Depot built one of the most sophisticated exclusivity networks in American retail, designed to keep the most important tool brands from being available to its competitors. Lowe's spent the better part of a decade building a brand portfolio designed around the gaps that network created. This is the list of what got through. To understand why any of this matters, you have to understand what Home Depot's exclusivity network actually is. It is not a monopoly, not a conspiracy, and not illegal on its face. It is a series of voluntary commercial agreements between Home Depot and its most important tool suppliers, under which those suppliers agree not to sell their most competitive product lines to Home Depot's direct competitors. Ryobi and rigid cordless tools are exclusive to Home Depot in North America through 2028 under an agreement with TTI, their manufacturer. Klein was exclusive to Home Depot in the home improvement retail channel from 2009 to 2023. When Lowe's briefly carried Milwaukee tools in the mid-2010s, TTI sued Lowe's, and the arrangement ended within approximately a year. The lawsuit is documented. The message was clear. The network has teeth. What the network cannot do is prevent every brand from choosing a different path. And over the last decade, brand after brand has done exactly that. Either because their contract expired, because Home Depot pulled them first, or because the Lowe's opportunity was large enough to accept the trade-off. The result is a Lowe's tool floor that is today stocked with products Home Depot either cannot carry, chose not to carry, or actively worked to prevent from reaching its competitor. Here is what that looks like, brand by brand. EGO, 56-volt cordless outdoor power equipment, rated the #1 battery-powered outdoor brand in America at the time of its removal from Home Depot. In July of 2020, Home Depot announced a merchandise reset and EGO disappeared from its shelves. Lowe's announced a partnership with EGO the next day. By the fourth quarter of 2024, EGO held 49.5% unit share in snow removal at Lowe's, nearly half the entire category at one of the two largest home improvement retailers in the country. EGO's 56-volt platform is not available at Home Depot. If you want EGO, you go to Lowe's. Klein Tools, 14 years of exclusive Home Depot partnership. The agreement was announced June 17, 2009, and covered all Klein electrical hand tools, existing products, future products, all of it. Klein won Home Depot's Supplier Partner of the Year award in 2009, 2013, and 2018. In February 2023, Lowe's announced a new Klein partnership. By August 2023, Klein ProZones were live in all Lowe's stores with nearly 2,000 SKUs. In October 2024, Lowe's named Klein its Vendor Partner of the Year and its Innovation Partner of the Year simultaneously. Both awards, same brand, same cycle. The tool that Home Depot held for 14 years is now Lowe's most decorated supplier. Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi Power Tools, rebranded in 2018. The multi-volt platform, 36-volt batteries that also power 18-volt tools, a battery architecture that competes directly with DeWalt FlexVolt, is a Lowe's semi-exclusive in the home improvement channel, not at Home Depot. The professional contractor looking for multi-volt's high-output cordless platform has one home improvement store option. That option is Lowe. Bosch. German-engineered cordless tools, rotary hammers, laser measuring, and router systems. The full Bosch lineup is at Lowe's. Home Depot carries Bosch in limited SKUs and limited categories. Industry observers who have tracked Bosch's retail footprint consistently note that a customer looking specifically for Bosch will find materially more at Lowe's than at Home Depot. Bosch has been actively expanding its Lowe's presence as Lowe's Pro strategy has developed since 2023. Craftsman, possibly the most recognized tool brand name in American history. Bought by Stanley Black Decker in 2017 for $900 million. Stanley Black Decker also owns DeWalt, the brand that Home Depot has built much of its tool department around. What followed is one of the quieter brand positioning decisions in retail. DeWalt became Stanley Black Decker's Home Depot brand. Craftsman became its Lowe's, Ace Hardware, and Amazon brand. Home Depot does not carry Craftsman because carrying Craftsman would put a Stanley Black Decker brand in direct competition with DeWalt on the same manufacturer's balance sheet. And DeWalt's Home Depot relationship is too important to risk. The result: the most recognized tool name in the country, the one that was in every American garage for 60 years, is available at Lowe's and not at Home Depot. Greenworks, the 80-volt outdoor power platform that Pro Tool Reviews rated as one of the most powerful battery chainsaws in its category. Compatible with over 75 tools. Available at Lowe's, Costco, and Home Depot. The nuance: Greenworks 80-volt outdoor power equipment is not available at Home Depot, which carries its own outdoor power lineup built around Ryobi, Ego under the prior arrangement, and other brands. Greenworks' presence at Lowe's and Costco represents another outdoor power option that Home Depot's exclusivity arrangement with TTI effectively displaced from its shelves. And then there is the brand that broke the mold before any of this started. Kobalt, Lowe's house brand, is the tool brand that Home Depot cannot buy, cannot stock, and cannot replicate, because Lowe's owns it. It was introduced in 1998 specifically as a response to Home Depot's Husky. Every time a contractor or homeowner builds a loyalty to Kobalt's battery platform or socket set, they are building a loyalty to Lowe's specifically. Home Depot has Husky. Lowe's has Kobalt. Neither brand will ever be on the other store's shelf. This was the earliest and most structural example of Lowe's building a brand position that Home Depot's Exclusivity Network could not touch. Not because Lowe's outmaneuvered Home Depot, but because it created a brand that no exclusivity agreement could reach. The pattern in all of these moves is the same. Home Depot's Exclusivity Network is built to lock the most powerful tool brands into a single channel. Every brand that escapes that network, through a contract expiration, a merchandise reset, or a decision by the brand that the Lowe's opportunity is more valuable, represents a tool that Home Depot's model was designed to prevent from landing across the street. Some of those brands left voluntarily. Some were pushed. Some were kept out for years by agreements that eventually expired. But each time one of them reaches Lowe's, it lands in a store that has been specifically building the infrastructure to receive them. The ProZones, the vendor partnerships, the total home strategy, for the better part of a decade. There is one final detail. Klein's Mechanics Tools expansion, expected to launch at Lowe's, would extend Klein's presence beyond the electrical aisle and into the automotive and general trade category where Milwaukee and DeWalt currently dominate at Home Depot. If that happens, Lowe's will stock the #1 electrical hand tool brand and a growing mechanics tool line from the same manufacturer on the same floor, at the store that Home Depot's network was specifically designed to protect against. The list of 14 is not finished. The next brand on it is already being negotiated. If this changed how you think about the store you walk into and why the shelf looks the way it does, subscribe. These brand decisions are happening faster than most people realize, and every one of them is playing out on the floor right in front of you.